back to my channel, Omen Manu's World. I'm your host Manu. Hello! And today I'm going to do an unboxing of Meesho products, especially watches. So it's a Meesho watch haul. But before that, if you like these hauls and you want me to do more of these hauls, then subscribe, like and comment which one you like the best, okay? The links of these will be in the description box below, so do check them out. And as you can see, these pretty earrings, if you like my earrings, then they're part of another haul, the earrings haul. But if you want specifically these, then this will also be in the description box below, separated from the watches. And also, my pendant. Can you see it's an infinity sign with a little heart, a cute heart finishing the infinity sign. So if you like this too, then this comes in a pack of 6. Those are really pretty. I'll leave the link in the description for these two. So do check them out if you like them. Alright? I've made 2 hauls before, so do check them out too if you're interested in my hauls. Plus, these are, so I've selected watches that most of you, I'm hoping, will like. As you can see, we have so many. So I'm so excited to unbox these all and share my review with you all. Because they are really pretty at a really low price, a really affordable price, right? Okay, so yeah, then let's begin, okay? Alright, and if you like my watches collection, then do share them with your friends and family whom you think will like these even more, right? So first one, let's begin. Cut. Okay, nice. Oh, it's satisfying. Right, let's unbox it. Oh my. So, if you guys want these watches or wonder how they look on you, then I'll leave the pics here on how they look on me so you can imagine them for yourself. The first one, it's a black scrunchy watch. I love scrunchy watches because they're just so pretty. Out of the box, okay, let's open it. Alright, this watch is really pretty. It has a watch star. Okay, you can't see it here, so the pic will really help, right? So this is a really pretty watch. I bought the black color scrunchy watch, but there are many colors. There are 4 other colors like black, pink, green and red. So if you are interested in the other colors, then do check them out, right? It's a very pretty one and it's kind of satin, which makes it pretty with, you know, a nice dress like this one. Can you see that color combination? It's so pretty, right? So let's do the next one. This one. Okay, let's unbox it. The most satisfying part. Okay, so guys, I would love your suggestions. So if you want me to make videos or hauls of other topics or on other topics, then put it in the comment section below. I'll read your comment and try to make the haul as soon as possible. Okay, bubble wrap. Okay, see that? Let me open it. Open the blind. Oh no, not blind. Ziploc. So guys, as you can see, it's a really pretty color. It's like rose goldish. Can you see the hearts and then the butterflies? The dial is black, whereas the body is in a rose goldish color. If you want, you can get it in other colors such as purple, red, black, white, etc. Okay, just check them out. So this is a very pretty watch that I like. I hope you guys like it too. It's pretty to wear to parties or just for a casual outing. Right? You can pair it with many dresses. So the next one. Okay, phew. Let's open. Wow, it's pretty. Okay. This is kind of like the previous one, but it has a different style. I'll show you. The previous one was a chain, but this is a belt. And instead of numbers, they are like only half the numbers. So, but it's really pretty. There are only half the numbers. Beautiful leaf design. Style is black and rose gold is a perfect combination. Can you see that? I liked it very much and I hope you like it too. I'll leave the picture here, okay? Let's move on to the next one. Okay, for a change. No, I'm gonna do that at the last. Okay. This one, another box. Okay. Oh my. Okay. Nice. Alright. Okay guys, let's unbox it. It's a pair of two actually. One watch. A nice watch. Okay. A nice cute watch with a small cute dial. I really fancy, you know, I really love them so much. So guys, this is the bracelet. It's a cute one. At the middle, there's a heart. And down, you can see small, tiny hearts. These are going into the big heart. Can you see that? It's pretty. So nice. And yeah, these are two. Like this is one watch and it's a bracelet. So on one hand, you can wear a watch and wear the watch, and on the other hand you can wear the bracelet, you know, so it looks cool and they are in same color, so it won't look mismatched. All right, this is available in different colors as well, so if you want them in other colors, they will be available. Okay, can you see that? It's cute. Yeah, you may not be able to see it, but I'll put the picture here so you have a clear picture of it. Combo of two, which I really like because matching in colors, you usually don't get that. And the hook is also different. Right? You do that and then you like, okay. Can you see that? It's like that. So, as you can see, it has a very unique clipping style. Okay, so this one. It's a cute box and I really like it. I really like the box. Okay, finally. This is a little bit like that, but different. So, yeah, this is a combo, as you can see, of a watch, a necklace, pendant, and earrings. So, this is a special offer where you can get a pendant with earrings and a watch. Okay, let's check the watch out first. So, this has a black leather strap and oh, it's pretty. It's so nice. All of these have batteries in it when they come. There are like butterflies that are stacking on each other and then a flower. And this is available in different colors. So, if you want a different color, it's available. It's pretty. Now, this one. Let's open it. They look promising. Oh my, it's cute. Oh my gosh, it's such a cute pendant. It's a cute little butterfly. And they match with the black watch, which is what I love the most. See that? It's like rose gold and black combination. Leave the picture here. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe, like, share and comment which was your favorite watch or watch combo. Alright, so that was it for today's video. And if you like any of these, then the links will be in the description box below. Do check them out. It's me, your host Manu, signing off. Bye bye.